Vocabulary Preview 1. Bathe the dog. 2. Clean out the garage. 3. Exercise. 4. Iron. 5. Knit. 6. Mop the floor. 7. Pay bills. 8. Rearrange furniture. 9. Repaint the kitchen. 10. Sew. 11. Borrow. 12. Return. Page 116. Will they be home this evening? Listen to the model.
Will you be home this evening?
Yes, I will. I'll be reading.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Will Amanda be home this evening?
Yes, she will. She'll be ironing.
2.
Will Jack be home this evening?
Yes, he will. He'll be sewing.
3.
Will Mr. and Mrs. Kramer be home this evening?
Yes, they will. They'll be exercising.
4.
Will Omar be home this evening?
Yes, he will. He'll be paying bills.
5.
Will you be home this evening?
Yes, I will. I'll be knitting.
6.
Will Harriet be home this evening?
Yes, she will. She'll be mopping the floor.
7.
Will you and your wife be home this evening?
Yes, we will. We'll be bathing the dog.
8.
Will your parents be home this evening?
Yes, they will. They'll be rearranging furniture.
Hi, Gloria. This is Arthur. Listen.
Hi, Gloria. This is Arthur. Can I come over and visit this evening?
No, Arthur. I'm afraid I won't be home this evening. I'll be shopping at the supermarket.
Oh. Can I come over and visit tomorrow evening?
No, Arthur. I'm afraid I won't be home tomorrow evening. I'll be working late at the office.
I see. Can I come over and visit this weekend?
No, Arthur. I'll be visiting my sister in New York.
Oh. Well, can I come over and visit next Wednesday?
No, Arthur. I'll be visiting my uncle in the hospital.
How about sometime next spring?
No, Arthur. I'll be getting married next spring.
Oh.
Goodbye.